It's the 21st century. Everything's on the rise. Pollution, population, technology. The pace of life is getting faster. Stress is increasing. And so are heart-related ailments. We Indians make up 20% of the total population of the world. And sadly, out of all the people on earth with heart-related problems, we constitute a whopping 60%. As our lifestyle is becoming more and more immobile, the figures are only rising. In a bid to tackle this massive problem, Nature Fresh presents ACTI Heart, a pro-heart edible oil. With an unmatched 5-point proprietary formulation, ACTI Heart helps keep the heart pumping strong. The omega-3 helps fight inflammation and provides a healthy lipid profile. It contains the ideal omega-6 to omega-3 ratio that increases the good cholesterol. ACTI Heart's high MUFA content ensures low absorption of the oil in your food. The gamma-oryzanol reduces the bad cholesterol in the body. It is enriched with vitamins A, D and E for overall nutrition. With its unique 5-point formulation, this delivers a superior product compared to other oils operating in the heart space. Highest omega-3 amongst the competition. Only oil with ideal omega-6 to omega-3 ratio. Highest MUFA. Also has oryzanol. Clearly, ACTI Heart beats all competition. To top it all, its new age packaging design makes ACTI Heart Oil an ideal choice for premium households. The 5-litre tin has a shelf life of 12 months compared to others which have only 6 to 9. The 4-sided seal pack lends a high aesthetic look that meets the taste of a modern homemaker. The ergonomically designed bottle with 4-sided in-mold labeling prevents damage of label, post-oil or water application. It also adds to the overall look and feel of the product. Perfect for all kinds of Indian cooking. This unique offering from Nature Fresh is all set to capture not just the market shelf, but also the hearts of every Indian. Nature Fresh ACTI Heart.